So, it's the end of the world and you want to go fishing. Well, I see a lot of prepper videos where people talk about fishing and prepping, and they get to talking about bait and tackle and knots and casting like they're going to have that kind of spare time. Well, if it's a full on SHTF scenario and you think you're going to have time to stand around casting flies, you've got another thing coming. I'm not taking anything away from sport fishing. It's not as easy as it looks, but it comes down to a matter of time. In the SHTF life, the less time you spend out in the open, the better. You don't have time to sit around casting rods and sipping your beer. Not unless you don't mind dodging bullets, because someone is going to see you eventually and you will be a sitting duck, and they will pick you off and steal your gear. There are way too many people out there who think they're going to be marauders during SHTF. They've spent way too much time playing Call of Duty Black Ops, and they think that's how real life is. Many of them are not nearly as dangerous as they think they are, but the attitude is dangerous enough. So don't be that guy. Don't be the guy caught standing around with your pants down. If you're going to fish after the fall, the best thing you can do is either fish by casting nets or setting water traps to catch them. You don't have nets? Learn to improvise. There are lots of resources online and in books that can teach you the basics on how to set traps or make your own nets. You don't have the resources, there are a lot of basic household items that could be used to trap fish. For example, you could use a window screen. That could be turned into a fish trap. Just throwing an idea out there, and there are a lot more just like it. So, folks, be creative, be smart, be safe. And remember, if you do set traps, remember to check your surroundings before approaching a trap that you have set, because someone else may have passed by and recognized it, and they could be waiting on you. I know for a lot of you this is probably a no-brainer, but just wanted to throw that out there and make the point just to get the wheels turning, just to remind people or just to get them thinking about it. If you have any comments or suggestions pertaining to the video, please go ahead and put it in the comments section down below. I do try to respond as often as possible. If you would like to help out the channel, please use the link down below. It is surely appreciated. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have not already. I would appreciate it. And as always, stay frosty, folks, and thanks for watching.